And we are live again.
Hello.
Hello, magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali, wherever you are in the world. So we are again here for another go live. This is our day 8, October 5, 2024.
Saturday pa rin dito.
Saturday dito sa North Carolina, USA. So, my name is Shine, and this is my husband, June. So, today's Go Live topic is
all about
small wins.
Small wins. Celebrating small wins. And what are small wins? How important are they?
And then we'll just be sharing some tips then. Magandang topic to ngayon.
Yeah.
So, what are small wins? So, for us na nag-venture sa online business, ito yung mga milestones na pwede mong ma-achieve sa business. And then, ano pa ba? Personal growth.
Personal growth.
Yeah.
Hindi lang sa business, applicable din naman ang mga small wins sa
sa career.
Sa mga goals mo, kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve. So, it's very important, lalo na pagka nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, syempre parang isipin mo ang hirap umpisahan, or
mahirap sa umpisa.
Mahirap sa umpisa talaga. So, syempre it's always good to start with a baby step, ika nga. So, lalo na kung hindi ka pa masyadong sanay dun sa culture, sa business, sa products ng business mo. Maraming mga kailangan gawin para maging successful, syempre.
So, why do we celebrate small wins?
Syempre, very important yon, milestones, ika nga. Kung paano mong, syempre, minamarkahan yung, lahat naman tayo, doon sa mga may anak, lalo na, syempre, i-treat mo yan as parang business mo na rin yan. Kung sino yung, halimbawa, ang bago mong baby is yung business mo. So, syempre, it's always good to, monitor everything, every step of the way, lahat ng mga challenges, lahat ng mga ginagawa mo on a daily basis. Para ka na rin, kumbaga, nagbe-benchmarking, I would say. Kasi syempre, ang focus mo kung nandito ko ngayon, gusto kong makarating doon sa lugar na yon. So, anong dapat
so it's like
gawin?
It's like boosting
motivation,
and then it builds confidence then sa self, lalong-lalo na, and then it will show your progress. At the same time then ini-empower niya yung progress mo.
Siyempre, it improves your confidence, and at the same time, it improves your well-being. Mas ready ka and up to the challenge, ika nga, gaya ng ginagawa natin ngayon. Diba?
Yes, correct. And then, siyempre, pagka nagsa-celebrate ka ng small wins mo, it fosters growth mindset din. Kasi nga, syempre pagka somehow, whether very minor lang yung achievement mo, like it will give you motivation to move on, to keep going. So it encourages consistency.
Incremental, kumbaga. Paunti-unti, okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. At least nakikita mo na nagmo-move ka, nagpo-progress ka. From where you are yesterday hanggang sa ngayon, just like si Shine ba?
Ano?
hindi siya ganito ka-active sa business from before. Ako yung mas active ngayon. Ngayon parang medyo baliktad na yata kami. Siya lang ngayon yung mas lalo maraming natututunan, mas lalo siyang naging eager paano niya may improve yung business and so on.
So how are you going to recognize your small wins? So syempre, unang-una, set a measurable goal. So break down all your goals into smaller actionable steps.
Kumbaga smart. Kung dito sa mga di ba, pagka meron tayong tinatawag na performance goals sa
trabaho. Yes, correct. Yun siya. Tapos andun din, syempre you have to acknowledge your effort. Whether tawag dito, small effort ba yan or hard, yung talagang super duper effort na you just have to acknowledge it. Kasi kumbaga parang kung hindi mo in-acknowledge yung effort mo, parang paano mo masasabi sa sarili mo na accomplished ka doon sa specific task na yon.
Tama.
Then, syempre, for me, the best thing is to be grateful. Use gratitude in all things.
Very important yun.
Yes. Like, you appreciate every small things na nangyayari sa buhay mo. Not just in our business. Like, the moment you wake up in the morning, you just say thank you, Lord, for this new life.
So yun din palagay ko ang benefits ng celebrating small wins, kasi you tend to be more have a positive outlook sa yung along the journey mo doon sa whether it is online business or personal growth. So nag-iiba yung mindset mo. Nag-grow ka, nagma-mature ka.
So, how are you going to celebrate your small wins? So, nowadays, AI na, techie, alam mo yun, masyado ng advance ang technology. Katulad ngayon, di ba, we're using social media to share the opportunity for to people through social media. Kung napapansin nyo, 'di ba, like whenever I get an inquiry sa business, so I share it kasi there are lots of people in the world na naghahanap talaga ng bagay or naghahanap ng paraan para magkaroon ng improvement yung pamumuhay nila or gustong may mabago sa buhay nila. So, I just keep on sharing sa Facebook. And then, syempre, you have to reward yourself then kahit na very small achievement lang yung nakuha mo. Like, treat your family for a lunch or dinner, ganon, or give yourself a treat. Yung parang, antal dito, yung mga retail therapy ba dyan? Yung ganon. So, you have to reward yourself kasi you did a good job. Diba?
Tama.
And then, also, reflect on your progress. Kasi, you just have to check how far have you gone in your journey, not just in business, kunwari sa career mo. Kung halimbawa gusto mong mag-advance sa career mo, i-reflect mo lang kung ano pa ba ang kulang para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo na yon.
Tama. So yun din ang isang magandang benefit ng celebrating your small wins, kasi it fosters consistency. So kumbaga nagiging confident ka nga, and at the same time nagiging more patient ka, nagiging more committed ka, nagiging more persistent ka into achieving your goals. Just like again sa ginagawa ni Shine ngayon, siguro it's already a small win coming from work, go live ka afterwards, and doing it for the past right now we are on day 9,
day 8.
Day 8. For the past 8 days. Wow. That's not just a small win. It's you're going towards that growth and consistency. So yun ang masasabi kong classic example.
So with that being said, how are we going to keep motivation running? Is that the word? How
do we keep ourselves motivated?
Yes, yun. Sorry, pasensya na. Hindi na gumagana yung...
Nire-word ko lang siya. Para
hindi, syempre galing akong 12 hours, no? So, naubos na yung English natin dyan.
Okay,
so first, you have to, celebrate consistently. Not just when reaching milestones, major milestones. And then the second thing is always stay positive even when the progress feels slow. Kasi hindi naman araw-araw Pasko. And in any businesses, dumadating talaga yung panahon na mahina, 'di ba?
Totoo yan.
You cannot please everybody na parang parang tignan mo yung business, or halimbawa maskin sa restaurant, 'di ba? Hindi mo naman mapipilit din yung mga ibang taong kumain kung halimbawang ayaw nilang pumunta dun sa food chain mo. So, you just stay positive whenever things doesn't go along with your expectation.
Just be consistent. Stay true to your goal, and definitely the right people or the right clients, I would say, will definitely come to you eventually.
Yeah. And then lastly, you need to surround yourself with people. Surround yourself with people na will encourage your journey. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao nakaka-recognize ng yung mga visions ba or goals nila in life. So other people are still in denial, alam mo yon. So you just have to look for like-minded people. Kasi it's like kumbaga sa science pa, yung sinasabi nila na parang same poles attract, something ganon.
Di pa nga may kasabihan din tayo na tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are.
Yes.
So if you're surrounded with successful people, definitely ang tendency nun, ma-attract ka din, magiging part ka ng success or magiging successful ka rin within the circle. So,
yeah, I think we said it all.
So, kayo po ba? Ano po ba ang inyong mga milestones and how do you celebrate it? Please put your comments para mabasa rin natin and, may matutunan din kami sa inyo. Part of our, interaction.
And at least, we'll be able to see also yung mga yung ibang bagay pa outside the business. So parang makadagdag din sa growth namin as a person, kasi hindi naman din lahat ng tao pare-parehas ng pinagdadaanan.
Oo, tama.
So yun lang po for tonight. So just keep on plugging sa aming Go Live, and I hope you get some golden nuggets from there in how to celebrate small wins and recognizing milestones. So yun lang po for tonight, and good night.
Marami pong
salamat sa inyo.
Good night, good day, kung nasaan man po kayong parte ng mundo. God bless po.
God bless po. Salamat.